Hello, this is Bear from our Wave. How's it going? Here's a new video on an app. Today we're going to take a look at the largest component of both the S&P and the Nasdaq, and we're going to see what's happening and what could be happening using low wave theory. So first of all, I got to say, if you're not already a member in the Discord, consider joining. It's completely out of charge, and you'll be able to see my ideas as well as ask for questions or share your own ideas, get my feedback, as well as interact with many other traders just like us. So just join by hitting the link in the description, and I'll see you soon. So here we're looking at the weekly chart, as you can see. So potential 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into wave 1. Obviously, this would be a leading diagonal as 4 and 1 overlap. Down in wave 2, and then again 1, 2, 1, 2, and then again 1, 2. So a nest within super cycle wave 3, this one here in blue, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now let's take a little closer. Within 1, 2 of primary degree, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and potentially wave 3 of intermediate degree of 3 of higher degree, which obviously is primary, could be completed with the January 2022 top that we have in Apple. And from there, we can see 3 ways down. So that was the general outlook. Just let's take a minute to look at the averages, which is something I like to do here and there to give additional confidence to my other wave count. So as we can see, we've been above the 200 EMA, which is the purple line you can see here that I'm highlighting, ever since 04. So we've always been above, broke a little bit below for wave 2 of primary degree, and then bounced back above. And look at this. We found support on the 200 EMA 1, 2, 3 times ever since the 09, after the 08, 09 financial crisis. So here on the weekly, obviously, we can see the 200 EMA is played out as support many times. We have not touched it. Let's zoom in. For potential wave 4, which could open up the possibility that this wave 1A, up in B and down in C, and we'll investigate that in just a second. So with that being said, let's hide again the averages, go down the daily time frame, and see what's happening in this potential wave 4. So here we're looking at possibility to have an ending diagonal into wave 5 on my degree. And then from the top in January of 2022, 3 ways down in A, triangle in wave B, 5 ways down into wave C, which moved there for a while, sorry. So from there, we can count a potential 1 and 2. Now, one thing I would like to take a moment to appreciate is how we bounced back, broke the top of wave B, which is very common, retraced in a 3-wave move. That's a clear 3-wave move, and now we're looking for further upside. So at this point, it looks like we could be done for wave 4. This was a 1, 2, and we are now starting to extend higher into wave 3, which we'll investigate that in just a second, moving even lower on the 4-hour chart. Or else, as I said, the alternate for now could be down in A, triangle in B, down in C, make a 3-wave move into potential wave A, B, and then move back lower into wave C. At that point, obviously, we would have a flat. So being a 3-wave move, the initial wave down, we could have an expanded flat, meaning that we could break this top right here with this potential wave B and then move lower. That's also possible. So, but with that being said, let's move on to the 4-hour chart and see what's happening and what could be happening. So as I said, 5 ways up into wave 1, 3 down into wave 2, and from here what we could count is a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, looking for wave 5 to complete wave 3, down in 4, up in 5. So basically, that's what in other wave terms we like to call a series of 3 and 4s. As we are extending higher, we're making 1, 2, 1, 2. And obviously, at some point, we need to get 3 4s, 3 4s. So 1, 2, minute degree. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Obviously 5 to complete 3, and then again wave 4, then 5 to complete wave 3 of minute degree, 4, and back higher for wave 5. So that's what I'm looking for. As I said, the alternate would be this being wave A, this being wave B, up for C, and at that point we go look for further downside. So at this point, it does look like we will get further upside. At least that's what this specific count is suggesting for. So as a trader, I'll stick to it. I'll trade by it, and I'll try to make the most out of it. Obviously, if you want to stay updated on what I do and on my ideas, as I said in the beginning of this video, I highly recommend to join the Discord. It's completely free. You can just see what's going on and ask any questions or share any ideas if you have. They're always very appreciated by all the members. So that's about it for me today. Just wanted to give a quick outlook on what's happening on Apple. I wanted to remind you that we're going live here on Barrett Wave every Friday at around 6 p.m. London time, which is equal to 1 p.m. New York time. So I recommend you join that. You can ask me for whatever you want me to take a look at, and I'll try to analyze, do my best using the Elliott theory. So don't miss every Friday live stream here on Barrett Wave. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, if you don't want to miss out on the next update. If you enjoy the content, please leave a like, share it if you like, and I'll see you on the next one.